Hi, this is Katie Ethington with Business 483. I'd like to give you my brief analysis as for the Skyhook case. So a few things about this case, starting off with the team. So the co-founders and this small team, each with their own jobs, I believe they've done a lot of great work. And while they haven't been perfect, I do believe there's lots of things that they can celebrate. First off, they work very well together and they're all very dedicated. You can tell by all the personal sacrifices they've made and the fact that they've jeopardized their family's futures because they believe in this product and this technology. And also, they're quite innovative. First off, with the idea for their technology, plus their little workarounds, like going, oh well, if we're going to make a thing for to go see Microsoft, we may not be able to map the whole country, but we'll map Seattle, so it will work flawlessly and things like that. And so I definitely think it's a good team. I do think that their biggest problems have been focus and sales, which are things that I think that they can improve on at this point, but I think that's kind of been their biggest failure, is just kind of focusing as for how their technology can help a company, how they can sell it, and how it's going to be a revenue stream for them. And this kind of ties into whether or not this case is for why they've kind of failed going forward. First off, the fact of the thing is that they're doing something completely brand new, and it's very, very broad. Has lots of different opportunities, lots of different things that it could work for. But for them to sell it, they really need to focus on like one thing to get started and then start branching out from there. If they try to do everything at once, there's just too much capital and no one's going to take a chance on them. Like, for example, Microsoft and Nokia both kind of backed out. It didn't work out because they didn't have that focus. Now, as for their current predicament here with deciding, okay, should we sell the company? Should we change more into an advertising company? Or should we persevere? Definitely persevere. They've shown that they can. They've shown that they can cut costs. They can be very frugal. I think it's a great technology. They just have to, as I said, persevere and kind of get through it. And I think that this deal with Apple is going to be a great thing for them. And while I don't believe it's going to be the most profitable revenue stream, because obviously Steve Jobs is not going to be paying them a ton, I do believe if they can work out a deal where, yes, they're doing it dirt cheap, just enough to kind of be saying, yes, we are bringing in revenue. Is it a lot? No. Is it a lot of growth? No. But just something that gets their technology out there with a well-known company so that in the future they can use it and become more profitable in future deals. So I believe that this is a very, very big opportunity for them. I don't believe that they can pay Steve Jobs at this point. And I don't think that Steve Jobs is going to pay them a ton. But if they can work something out in the middle where they're just getting enough to keep them going, to have some sort of growth, then I think that's going to be great. And I think that this is a great deal for them. So thank you for listening to my analysis and have a good night.